Have you ever tried to save a PDF from an iFrame only to end up with a blank page? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve the issue of creating a PDF file from iFrame content using PDF. I totally get it. You want to save important content, but instead you get an empty PDF. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face this issue when working with JS PDF and iFrames. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked, I want to save a PDF file which contains iFrame content, but when I hit the button, the script creates an empty PDF page. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a solution together. So, what could be going wrong here? The issue often arises from how JS PDF interacts with iFrames. If the content isn't fully loaded or accessible, JS PDF may not be able to capture it correctly. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the content inside the iFrame is fully loaded before attempting to generate the PDF. This can be done by adding an event listener to the iFrame's load event. Next, the user should modify the function to access the iFrame's content correctly. Instead of directly referencing the iFrame, we need to ensure we are targeting the right document within the iFrame. Now let's check the special element handlers. The user should ensure that any elements that need to be bypassed are correctly defined. This will help in extracting the content properly. Finally, the user should test the updated function to see if the PDF is generated with the iFrame content. They can do this by clicking the button that triggers the toPDF function. Fun fact, did you know that the first PDF was created in 1993? It was a revolutionary way to share documents, and now we can create them programmatically with just a few lines of code. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that to print HTML from an iFrame, you need to retrieve the content directly from it. The user provides a function to get the iFrame's body content, which can be used to replace the source in your JS PDF script. However, be aware of CORS issues. To resolve this, you can set up a web server to host your HTML code and iFrame source. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. One user points out that there is an open issue on GitHub regarding the problem with JS PDF creating empty PDFs. They mention that this issue has been unresolved since 2015, suggesting that there may not be a straightforward solution. Additionally, they highlight a note in the JS PDF documentation that mentions limitations with HTML content, particularly with tables and images not being supported. They also express their own struggles with getting JS PDF to work effectively and suggest considering other plugins. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always ensure your iFrame content is fully loaded and accessible before trying to create a PDF. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to create a PDF from your iFrame content without any issues. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more troubleshooting advice.